Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock a user. So in the last video, we saw how to block. If I've mentioned that in case if you want to see the names of all the block students, you simply have to click show block students and search, and you'll be able to see the list of all the block students. Now if you want to unblock, you have to go to block user list. Okay. In block user list, first student, select the user type. Now you'll be able to see a list of all the students. You can also search. Okay. So once you know one particular student that, let's say, you've blocked, now you want to unblock, you simply have to click on unblock, and that student will be unblocked successfully. Now also in block user log, if I want to check all the students that I have blocked within a particular time span, let's say in a month or from one start date to end date, I can check it using the start date and end date over here as well. Now once I have unblocked, that particular student should be visible in the general register. So I'll just go back to general register and refresh. Okay, and that particular child should be there in your general register now. Okay, so that's how you unblock a particular student. Now let's say you have done a modules block. Okay, so in the last session we did a modules block for this particular child. So when you want to unblock the modules, you just have to click on the block tab again, go to modules block, and just untick the blocks that the modules that you have blocked. Now if you want to get a list of all the module block students, you can do export to Excel. In that we do have a tab where you can download the list of all the modules block students. So that's how you can unblock a particular student.